What if technology could make everyday life easier, smarter, and more efficient? This question is not a mere hypothesis anymore. The reality is here, and it's called the Internet of Things, or IoT. Now, you might ask, what exactly is this Internet of Things? Well, picture your daily use devices like your thermostat, security camera, smart speaker, or even your wearable fitness tracker. These devices are smart. But what if they could communicate with each other? What if your fitness tracker could tell your thermostat to increase the temperature because it detected an increase in your body temperature? What if your security camera could instruct your smart speaker to sound an alarm because it detected a break-in? This communication between devices is no longer a thing of the future. It's happening right now thanks to the Internet of Things. In simple terms, IoT is a network of physical devices connected through the internet, using sensors and software to collect, share, and analyze data. It's like a giant web where everything can communicate, exchanging information and instructions to make our lives easier and more efficient. From our homes to our workplaces, from healthcare to industry, our IoT is subtly transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. It's improving automation, enhancing efficiency, and aiding in more informed decision making. But what happens when everything can communicate? What changes when billions of devices start talking to each other, sharing data, making decisions? The possibilities are endless. Your home can become smarter, your energy consumption more efficient, your health better monitored, and your work more productive. This is not a distant dream or a science fiction movie plot. It's happening right now in real time, quietly changing our daily lives, one smart device at a time. This is not just about technology, it's about how technology can transform our lives, making them easier, smarter, and more efficient. This is the power of the Internet of Things. In its simplest form, the Internet of Things is a network of physical devices connected through the Internet. We've all heard of it, but what does that mean exactly? Well, imagine your everyday devices like your phone, your watch, your car, or even your refrigerator, all equipped with sensors and software. These sensors collect data from the environment, while the software processes this data and shares it via the internet. This sharing of data allows these devices to communicate with each other and with us in ways we never thought possible. This communication is not just a one-way street. Devices in the Internet of Things don't just send data, they also receive it. This two-way communication allows for real-time adjustments and adaptations, creating a dynamic system that can respond to changing conditions on the fly. The beauty of this system is its adaptability. With the right sensors and software, virtually any device can become a part of the Internet of Things. From your home thermostat to the traffic lights in your city, to the machinery in a factory or the monitors in a hospital, everything can be connected, communicating, and working together. But the Internet of Things isn't just about connecting devices. It's about what we do with these connections. The data collected and shared by these devices allow for improved automation, increased efficiency, and more informed decision making across a multitude of sectors. In your home, it could mean your heating system automatically adjusting based on the weather and your preferences, saving you energy and money. In a hospital, it could mean real-time patient monitoring, leading to faster and more accurate diagnoses. In a city, it could mean smarter traffic management, reducing congestion and improving air quality. The possibilities are virtually endless, with the potential to transform not just our homes and workplaces, but entire industries and cities. It's about making our world smarter, more efficient, and more responsive to our needs. The Internet of Things is bridging the gap between the physical and digital world. We are no longer just users of technology. We are becoming a part of it, living in an interconnected world where technology works for us, making our lives easier, smarter, and better. The Internet of Things is not just a fancy term, It's a revolution that's making our lives easier in numerous ways. Let's dive into the ways it's transforming our day-to-day lives. Picture this: you're leaving work, and as you start your car, your home thermostat automatically adjusts to a comfortable temperature. Meanwhile, your fridge checks its contents, finds that you're low on milk, and adds it to your grocery list. This is the convenience of a smart home powered by IoT. Next, the energy management. IoT devices can monitor energy consumption in real time, allowing you to adjust usage and save on costs. Smart thermostats learn your schedule and preferences, adjusting the temperature accordingly to conserve energy. Healthcare is another sector that's reaping the benefits of IoT. Wearable fitness trackers monitor our heart rate, sleep patterns, and overall health, providing valuable data that can be used to improve our well-being. Remote patient monitoring systems allow healthcare providers to keep track of their patients' health and provide timely care, even from a distance. Now imagine driving on a busy road and your car receives real-time traffic updates, helping you avoid congestion and reach your destination faster. That's IoT in traffic systems. In the realm of agriculture, IoT enables precision farming. Sensors can monitor soil moisture, crop health, and weather conditions, allowing farmers to make informed decisions, increase yield, and reduce waste. Manufacturing and logistics are also leveraging IoT. Sensors on production lines can predict maintenance needs, preventing costly downtime. In logistics, real-time tracking of goods ensures efficient delivery and customer satisfaction. And what about the workplace? IoT boosts productivity through automation. Imagine a meeting room that's ready with your presentation as soon as you walk in, or an office that adjusts the lighting and temperature based on occupancy and time of day. Through connected technology, we save time, improve safety, and reduce costs. The Internet of Things is truly a revolution, quietly transforming our lives, making them smarter, more efficient, and undeniably more convenient. So, where can we see the Internet of Things in action? You might be surprised to learn that the answer is pretty much everywhere. Let's start with your home. Ever adjusted the color or brightness of your lights with an app? That's smart lighting, a real-life use of IoT. And it's not just about creating the perfect mood for movie night. Smart lighting can also help you save energy and reduce your electricity bills. Then there's your kitchen. If you've ever peered inside your fridge and wondered whether you need to buy milk, imagine a fridge that can tell you. Connected appliances can monitor their contents, alert you when you're running low on essentials, and even place online orders for you. And who can forget about voice assistants? Whether you're asking Alexa for the weather forecast or telling Siri to play your favorite song, you're engaging with the Internet of Things. These devices are constantly learning, adapting to your habits and preferences to serve you better. IoT is also transforming the way we look after our health. Wearable devices like fitness trackers and smartwatches monitor our heart rates, sleep patterns, and daily activity levels. This data helps us make informed decisions about our health and fitness goals. And it's not just about personal wellness. In healthcare, remote patient monitoring systems use IoT to track vital signs and alert medical professionals to any changes. This means patients can receive timely care without always needing to visit a hospital. But the Internet of Things goes beyond our homes and personal devices. Take a look at our cities. Smart traffic systems use real-time data to manage traffic flow and reduce congestion. Connected vehicles can communicate with each other and with traffic infrastructure to improve road safety. In the world of industry, IoT is revolutionizing processes. From automation in factories to precision farming in agriculture, connected devices are helping businesses become more efficient and sustainable. And in the retail sector, technology is enhancing the shopping experience. Smart shelves can notify staff when they need to be restocked. Personalized digital signage can tailor promotions to individual shoppers based on their purchase history and preferences. Last but not least, Environmental monitoring systems use IoT to track air quality, water conditions, wildlife activity, and more. This data helps us understand our impact on the planet and make more sustainable choices. So as you can see, the Internet of Things is everywhere around us, influencing our lives in ways we might not even realize. From the moment we wake up to the moment we go to sleep, IoT devices are making our lives easier, more efficient, and more connected, and this is just the beginning. As technology continues to evolve, the possibilities for the Internet of Things are only going to grow. The Internet of Things is everywhere around us, influencing our lives in ways we might not even realize. Like any technology, the Internet of Things comes with its own set of advantages and challenges. Let's dive into the pros first. At the heart of the Internet of Things is convenience. Imagine controlling your home's lighting, temperature, and security systems from your smartphone, or a refrigerator that notifies you when you're running low on milk. This is the life-enhancing convenience that IoT promises. Next is automation. IoT devices can communicate with each other, making decisions without human intervention. A smart thermostat can adjust the temperature based on your daily routine, and wearable fitness trackers can monitor your health metrics and provide insights, all in real time. Energy efficiency is another significant advantage. Smart devices can optimize energy usage, reducing your carbon footprint and saving on utility bills. Improved productivity is another pro. IoT can streamline business operations, reducing labor costs and boosting efficiency. Enhanced safety is another benefit. From smart security systems that alert you of intruders to wearable devices that can detect health emergencies and call for help, IoT can bring peace of mind. And let's not forget about predictive maintenance. IoT can monitor systems and alert you to potential problems before they become serious, saving time and money in the process. Last but not least, better customer experiences. Businesses can use IoT to understand customer behavior and provide personalized services, improving customer satisfaction and loyalty. But now let's switch gears to the cons. The most significant concern with IoT is cybersecurity. With billions of connected devices, the risk of data breaches and cyber attacks increases exponentially. Privacy is another concern. IoT devices collect vast amounts of data, and not all of it is adequately protected. This raises questions about who has access to this information and how it's being used. Data protection is closely related to privacy. With so much data being collected and shared, it's essential to ensure that it is securely stored and transmitted. Internet dependence is another challenge. Most IoT devices rely on a constant internet connection to function. What happens when the internet goes down? Compatibility issues can also arise. Not all IoT devices can communicate with each other, which can limit their effectiveness. Finally, implementation costs. While the price of IoT devices has been decreasing, the cost of implementing and maintaining an IoT system can still be a barrier for many, especially small businesses. Understanding these factors helps us make the most of this technology while mitigating its risks. So, as we continue to embrace the Internet of Things, let's do so with an awareness of both its benefits and challenges. It's a balancing act, but one that can lead to a smarter, more connected world. The Internet of Things is rapidly evolving, and we're just scratching the surface. As we look towards the future, the Internet of Things is set to play an increasingly pivotal role in our lives. With the rise of artificial intelligence, the fabric of IoT is becoming smarter and more intuitive. AI-powered IoT devices are anticipated to revolutionize everything, from our homes and workplaces to our cities and transport systems. Imagine living in a smart city where IoT devices are seamlessly integrated into the urban infrastructure, enhancing the quality of life for its residents. From traffic management to waste disposal, from public safety to environmental monitoring, smart cities are poised to redefine urban living. In the realm of transportation, autonomous vehicles are no longer the stuff of science fiction. IoT is making self-driving cars a reality, leveraging advanced sensors and AI algorithms for improved safety and efficiency. Healthcare, too, is on the brink of a transformation. Connected healthcare systems are enabling remote patient monitoring, telemedicine, and personalized care. These advancements promise to make healthcare more accessible, reducing costs and improving patient outcomes. Robotics, powered by IoT, are set to automate and streamline processes across various sectors, from manufacturing to retail. Coupled with edge computing, which brings computation and data storage closer to the location where it's needed, we're looking at a future where real-time insights and decision-making are the norm. Digital twins, virtual replicas of physical devices, are another exciting trend. These digital counterparts can predict issues before they happen, helping businesses optimize operations, reduce costs, and improve product quality. And finally, the future of our homes and workplaces lies in intelligent automation. Smart appliances, energy-efficient lighting, voice-controlled assistants. These are just a few examples of how IoT is set to make our environments more comfortable, efficient, and responsive to our needs. With billions more connected devices on the horizon, the next generation of technology is set to be shaped by the Internet of Things. So, as we stand on the cusp of this technological revolution, it's clear that the future is not just connected, it's smart, efficient, and tailored to our evolving needs. The Internet of Things is more than a technological trend, it's a transformation, a profound shift that's reshaping our homes, workplaces, and the communities we live in. It's a silent revolution happening in the background, connecting billions of devices and making life easier, smarter, and more efficient. Imagine your home, everyday objects like thermostats, security cameras, and even your refrigerator communicating, analyzing, and responding to your needs. The mundane tasks of daily life automated. And it's not just about convenience, it's about energy efficiency, cost savings, and enhanced safety. Now, extend that vision to our workplaces, our cities, traffic systems, healthcare monitoring, manufacturing processes, all improved by the power of connectivity. The Internet of Things is about making smarter decisions, improving productivity, and creating better customer experiences. But as we embrace this new world of possibilities, we must also be mindful of the responsibilities that come with it. Cybersecurity threats, privacy concerns, and data protection are serious issues that need our attention. We must ensure the technology we use serves us and not the other way around. The Internet of Things is more than just smart devices. It's a new way of interacting with the world. It's about understanding our environment better, about making informed decisions. It's about reducing waste, improving health outcomes, and creating sustainable communities. It's about using technology responsibly to create a better, more connected world. So, as we move forward, let's embrace the opportunities the Internet of Things brings. Let's use it to transform our lives, our communities, and our world. But let's also remember that technology is a tool, and like any tool, it's how we use it that truly matters. The Internet of Things is here, and it's changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. And we as users have a crucial role to play in shaping this transformation. So, let's step into this new era of connectivity with curiosity, responsibility, and an open mind.